Hello garden friends, it is September and time for our September garden tour. Camera guy is here today and it is his birthday. Yay, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Colin. Colin, happy birthday dear Colin. Happy birthday to you. The highlight of the month is going to be the jalapeno peppers. So let's get down to the garden and see what else is growing. Today with organic gardening in North Carolina. Okay, on the way to the garden, we're going to look at this volunteer Tromboncino. There's some volunteer Tromboncino that it came up in the middle of the yard, and I planted it over here by this.
We saw. Oh, look at that little boy. We saw a squash ladybug on here, and it was eating the Tromboncino.
Yeah, it's doing pretty well there, though, especially for a volunteer.
It's probably getting waddled well because of the pool. Can I show them Little John? Little John! Okay.
All right, here we are at our wall of tomatoes. These tomatoes are on a dead vine. Well, maybe not. They might be okay to eat. Let me see. Very good. But some of the vines have died. Some of them are still alive. And my trellis has sagged a little bit, so these are still growing. Now that it's cooler, they're starting to get some better tomatoes on there. Look at that tomato. Oh yeah. All right. We've got some carrots growing down there still.
They still haven't. They still haven't. Ew. Still haven't bloomed. Is that kale?
Carrots don't bloom
is that
until
kale?
they're really late. That is, I believe it's called Essex rape.
I want to try some.
You can try some.
Just take a little part of the leaf off?
Yeah. Was that enough to taste?
Oh, ew.
Okay. So here are some peppers. I believe this is a Poblano that I planted, but it looks a lot different than all the other Poblanos that I planted from seed that I got from a pepper just at the grocery store. So
wait, the grocery store?
At the grocery store. Can you believe that? So I haven't had a whole lot of peppers on these yet. They usually start going better when it gets cooler in the fall. Look at this plant down here. That is a plant that I got from Dan at Dan's Permaculture in Florida, and it is called
What's that?
This is arugula.
Ooh.
You want a bite of that? It's a little bit strong because it's grown in the summertime.
Okay. No.
Yeah, it's strong. Here's where I put the bedding from the bunny cage. See the bunny poop in there? And the bunny food. So that is in preparation for planting my garlic and maybe some onions for my fall planting of garlic and onions. Okay, here is my Poblano plant that did get Poblano peppers. That I have got some peppers off of that. Do you want to eat a pepper?
Sure.
Here, let's get this one back here. This one's a little bigger. That's a nice looking one, isn't it? Oh yeah, crunch crunch. So yeah, this is my pepper plant just doing the best. Okay, step back a little. This is a little Egyptian spinach plant. For real. That's my for real Egyptian spinach.
Can you eat the fake Egyptian spinach?
Yeah, there's plenty of that around. It looks exactly like Egyptian spinach. There's another Egyptian spinach plant. We've been feeding that to the rabbits. The rabbits love to eat that.
Oh.
The black goat beans are still blooming.
Still?
Yeah. And there's a lot of dried pods on there too. Well, I guess... Oh, here's something else that I got from Dan's Permaculture. This is called... Here is the one that looks like the Egyptian spinach.
Can I have some? Can I have some Egyptian spinach?
Ah!
Well, yeah, I want to see if it tastes better.
It's not recording, is it?
It is.
Okay. You want to try some of this
it doesn't taste better.
You want to try some of this?
Kale?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. I love kale.
You don't look like you loved it. It's good. Okay, let's see what's back
I
here.
like the Velcro plant. I forgot what it's called, but I like it.
Oh, look, have you tried okra?
Yeah, I don't like it.
You might like it that small. Because that's when it's best. It's nice and tender. Okay, step through here. If you can make it through here.
Yeah! At Tromboncinos!
Where?
Yes,
Oh, you're right. That vine is.
Oh!
But look at the watermelons. They all died.
Oh.
Because they got too dried out. We had such a drought.
What about the pumpkins?
They're
dead?
Yeah, that pumpkin dropped off too. It got too dry.
And then it started raining like, it
Well,
started raining.
It rained some. We did recover some, but it's still...
It had a lightning storm.
It's dry again right now, though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look over here. Oh, look at this. This is my moringa.
Moringa, yeah, the sun's getting in my eyes.
Yeah, but this moringa is about 5 feet tall. It's starting to take off. And this is the Egyptian spinach beside it.
Mmm.
There's a little Tromboncino back there. See that little Tromboncino with the bloom still on it?
Yeah, I was looking at him earlier.
Some of those zinnias.
Zinnias!
Look at that pretty zinnia. Zinnias are so pretty. They're such a
Did I just hear how?
diverse. I did put a nice layer of comfrey under there. And I just did a comfrey video. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll go ahead and put a card up here. I'll go ahead and put a card up for that comfrey video to show you how I use comfrey in the garden. Okay, let's go see our jalapenos. I think that's the highlight of the garden.
Banana. How are the cayennes doing?
The cayennes are underneath there.
What about the carrots?
There's cayenne. Oh, look, there's some cayennes on there. I hadn't even seen them on there
Are the
before.
carrots ready to pick?
Look. Look, there's cayennes.
Are the carrots ready to pick? Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh! Almost walked through a spider web.
I don't think they're quite ready.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Look, take a look at this. Longevity spinach. This is the longevity spinach that I got from Deanna at Dan's Permaculture.
Wow, you keep talking about him in this video.
Well, yeah, because I got a few things from him, but this is the longevity spinach. And I just he gave me some stalks, the plant, and just put them in the ground and they start sprouting up. So they're actually doing very well. But look at these jalapenos. That's the jalapenos.
Ooh, look at those.
Yeah, there's some green ones there. There's some red ones.
Wait, red ones?
Yeah, that means they're really old and hot.
Oh.
They're going to be a lot hotter. These are starting to fall down because they're so heavy with fruit. So I'm going to do a video too on how to harvest and how to preserve the jalapenos. And any peppers really, so keep your eyes out for that.
You know how you said it's my birthday? You never explained how old I am.
How old are you, camera guy?
8!
8? That's so great.
8 is great.
There's a nice Tromboncino. Look at that Tromboncino there.
Whoa, he's gigantic.
Here's one that's even more gigantic.
Gigantic.
Shall we step through here and see what's in the back of here?
Your jungle, you mean?
Yeah.
And your jungle of doom? Why do you have a jungle?
Look, I think this is another cayenne.
Cayenne?
Are there any on it though? I don't see any. I see a lot of blooms, so there's a lot coming. Cayennes are going to be...
I guess I'm going to try one this year.
Okay.
Last time I had one, I chose to not have one ever in my life.
Oh, because it's so hot?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah.
That's a whitehead.
Is it a whitehead?
It looked like one.
It is.
You got a whitehead.
Look at that little bee.
It doesn't have a stingle.
You want to see the...
Look at that
Can you
male.
get the whitehead?
Yeah, that little dot right there is how you can tell it's a whitehead. Not on top of the yellow thing, like on its head. Listen. Goodbye.
Goodbye, B.
Hey, that was cool.
Okay, look at that Tromboncino.
No.
That one looks like it's just coming out of the ground, but there's actually a
Volunteer?
No, the vine's going through the grass and up the tree and around, and I believe the root is way over there.
Whoa, look at this trombone.
Yeah, it's doing really
well.
well.
It has more and more. Look at that.
I mowed around it. This is a wild plant called Lambsquarters, but it's got nice leaves to eat.
Okay.
And like salads, it grows in the heat of the summer as well. So
that was a cool whitehead.
And I feed that to the rabbits too.
That was the first bee I held of the year.
Really?
Mhm.
You're getting so brave.
I haven't seen whiteheads.
Getting so brave in your old age.
No, I haven't seen whiteheads. That's why.
Let's see. What
Grandpa?
is this?
I have came to a decision. I'm gonna put a whitehead in my mouth this year.
Okay. This is Raddicino. You want to try that? Thanks.
There was a mosquito there. What do you expect?
Want to try some? It was grown in the heat of the summer too, so it's a little bit bitter. But it's not too bad. There's some dandelion that I planted. I think it's like Italian dandelion or something. Starting to do well. Here's some parsley.
Oh,
And there were some parsley worms on it.
Oh, the wall?
Yeah, but I think the birds might have eaten them.
Why didn't you tell me? Grandpa, why didn't you tell me? You didn't want to waste them this year?
Look at the rosemary. Look how the rosemary's doing so well.
You didn't want to waste them this year?
Not especially.
Huh?
We're raising too many things. Do you like cilantro?
Looks like.
Here's a nice plant of cilantro. This came up by itself. Another volunteer.
Oh, wait!
You want to try it?
No, thank you. But look at that. That's part with eating our squash here.
Yeah. It is.
I don't know what that's called, but it's a type of caterpillar.
I think it's a squash bug. Actually.
We saw a squash lady beetle. Here's some more. They're eating it up. I guess that's how nature goes.
Oh, there's some beans.
Oh, beans?
These are rattlesnake beans. You do like that. I know you like that.
Actually, rattlesnakes. I mean. Here's a squash lady beetle.
And here's some beans that are dried up.
Grandpa, I'm watching it eat. I'm watching it eat. Look.
What? That?
Yeah. Squash lady beetle.
I don't know if that's just a regular ladybug or what.
That's a squash lady beetle.
Come over here and show some more of my longevity spinach.
That's what it's called.
Look,
Squash lady beetle.
There's 3 more longevity spinach.
Ah.
They've done really well. Look over there. That's a Deanna fig. You know why I have that fig? You know why I have this fig?
Why?
Called Deanna fig. Why do you think I would have a Deanna fig?
Because of banana?
Yeah. My daughter's Deanna.
You mean banana?
That is almost ready. Look, it's starting to turn yellow.
You have to give it to banana.
It's not quite soft enough though.
You should
I
give
don't know
it.
if she'll be here, but look how this thing's producing. Look at all the figs on there.
Mhm.
Look at all the figs along there.
Didn't you like graft it?
I did graft this onto that unknown variety of fig, and I just trimmed this yesterday. You can see I trimmed a lot of the leaves off of it.
Mhm.
I trimmed the leaves off,
Yeah.
and I left the figs because they were shading. This is another grafted fig. This is from the same graft. This is the same stick. It has these leaves over here and these leaves here.
You know what's weird?
I think that's a brown turkey. That's weird.
How you can tell is see those leaves right there? That is a different kind of
Yeah, it's definitely
fig than
different
this.
leaf. Yeah.
That's how you can tell the different kinds.
Yeah, you can see this graft is done really well. See right here is the graft. You see that? It was down in there. So that's the graft from that's the original tree there. And then this graft was put in here.
It's cool.
And then it's grown out that way.
You cut off some figs right there.
No, that was the leaves.
Oh.
The figs grow right beside the leaves. They have little nodes
It wasn't.
that they grow from.
It wasn't focusing. Now it's not focusing.
We're here. We might as well show them our elderberries.
Elderberries.
Elderberry plants, which I just transplanted this year, so they didn't get a whole lot of berries. But you can see up here.
The sun.
Yeah, put it over there. See right there? This is where the elderberry berries were on. But they didn't really get very big, so I didn't even harvest them really.
Okay.
Okay, should we show them that corn plant?
Show how the corn is turning brown. I wanted to eat it, but he said it might be genetically modified.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. But this is actually a field corn.
Because the squirrels planted
let's go ahead
it.
and harvest it.
Okay. We're not going to eat it,
Before the
though.
squirrels.
Oh! We're not going to eat it, though.
No. But
We should put it in a bowl feeder.
We could feed it to the... Yeah, we can do that. We can give it to the squirrels. Out of our garden, maybe. But if I leave it like that, those squirrels will come up and they'll have that finished off in a day.
And they will have it planted for the winter.
They'll plant our whole garden.
We already had enough corn.
Yeah. So yeah, we can go ahead and grab that. We could use it for decorations too, for a
we could.
decoration.
We should.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, let's use it for decoration. That's cool.
There's another little one here too.
Oh.
You want to see what that one looks like?
Yeah. Can I get it out?
Yeah, you can, if you can.
You strip it?
Yep, pull it down. Pull it down. There you go. Beautiful.
There you go.
Yeah, we could definitely use that for decoration.
Yeah, let's use it for some decoration. I mean, squirrels. Thank you, squirrels.
Okay, one more thing that I did get from Dan is Everglades tomatoes.
You got everything from Dan.
Yeah, I did.
Ow. Ooh.
He's a good guy.
Ow.
He gave me a lot of good stuff. So.
The stone's back here. Should have warned me.
Look at these cute little Everglades tomatoes. I got these because they definitely grow in the heat.
You should have warned me the stone's out here.
Oh yeah, there's thorns out here.
Yeah, now you say it.
Yeah, be careful. We still have some blackberries too.
The blackberry thorns?
Yeah, we just ate a bunch of blackberries last week. But there's not any black right now.
Oh, is that Raz?
Nope, that's a blackberry too. Here's a Jerusalem artichoke flower.
Wow.
They have beautiful flowers.
We're going to Red Robin for my birthday.
I'll leave a link up here to the Comfrey video that I just did on using Comfrey in the garden. And over here, I'll leave a link to a vegan compost tea video that I just got done. So I hope you enjoy those videos. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again real soon.